nhớ rằng cú yo khá có cần gì mù yo cần là mong tu y ra nên gạo. Hello again. You are now ready to learn to read and write Hmong Basic Lesson 20.
Okay.
E, U, nian dao. Single consonants. Jaw, daw, fa, ha, ga, la, ma, na, ba, ga, da, sha, da, la, sa, ya, ja, a, tu, nia, dao. Two consonants. Eng, 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 eng. E, 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 e. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, 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 ah. On, 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 on. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oa, 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 oa. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Tôi chào có cỡ ta cỡ là mong tu y. Thọ có sang chùa sẽ cú khe tàu rong li cha. Thank you. You have finished. Learn to read and write Hmong Basic. Please take your time and finish my teaching evaluation. Thank you very much.